Good day, everyone. Good day, sir. Today I'm going to discuss the Lesson 3, Special Interest Program, or the SIP. SIP are school programs for students who show strong skills or interest in particular area like arts, sports, science, or technology. These programs give them extra training and learning opportunities beyond the regular curriculum, and it helped them improve their kanaang talents and prepare them for future careers in that field. So we have different programs. First, special program in the arts or SPA. SPA is called programs for students who have talents in visual arts, music, dance, or theater, and creative writing. It provides kanaang specialized training and activities to help them develop their kanaang artistic skills and creativity while still studying the regular school subjects. Next, we have kanaang special program in sports or SPS. SPS is a school programs designed for students with strong athletic skills and interest in sports. It provides advanced training, coaching, and opportunities to join competitions while kanaang they continue their regular activities or academic studies. Next, we have a special program in foreign languages or the SPFL. SPFL is a school program that helps students learn and develop skills in foreign languages like Korean, French, or Arabic, and etc. It enhances their communication skills and cultural understanding while they continue with regular school subjects. Next, we have the STEM focused programs. It is specialized schools programs that help students develop skills in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. They provide hands-on learning and problem solving experiences to prepare students for careers in technical and scientific fields. So next we have journalism programs. Journalism programs, it helps students build skills in media literacy, reporting, writing, and communication. They help provide opportunities to or work on school publications and learn how news and media work in the kanaang real world. So that's all my part. Thank you everyone for listening.